Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. F of x equals to a times x squared positive b times x positive c. In the function f above a, b and c are constants. The graph of f is a parabola which opens down and intersects x-axis at 2 points. If the parabola passes through the point 0, negative 24, the axis of symmetry is x equals to 4 and a positive 2b equals to 30, then which of the following must be true about the function f? Okay, when I go over the answer choices, I have the same function f of x we have over here. Now to find the one which is true in the given answer choices, we have to get the values of the three constants a, b and c. Then we'll be getting the complete function f of x and we can check with the answer choices we have over here. Okay, now let me consider the given quadratic function. Actually, this is a general form of a quadratic function. In this general form, always a constant we have over here. I mean, the c over here represents the y coordinate of the y-intercept. And also there is an information that the parabola passes through the point 0, negative 24. Actually, this is a y-intercept because the x-coordinate over here is 0. So in this y-intercept, the y-coordinate is negative 24. That is the value of c, because in this general form, always this constant c represents the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. So the value of c is negative 24. Okay, so in these three constants, I got the value of the constant c. I need to find the values of two more constants, a and b. For that, let me consider the axis of symmetry, that is x equals to 4, that is given over here. Okay, when the quadratic function is given in general form, that is f of x equals to ax squared positive bx positive c, there is a formula to get axis of symmetry, that is x equals to negative b over 2a. Okay, in this axis of symmetry, we have the value of x in the question, that is 4. We can plug in this 4 for x over here. Then I'm getting 4 equals to negative b over 2a. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 2a to get up the denominator 2a over here. This 2a will cancel out. 2a times 4 is 8a equals to negative b. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. When I multiply this 8a by negative 1, I am getting negative 8a. When I multiply this negative b by negative 1, I am getting positive b. Okay, I got the value of b in terms of a. Anyways, let's try to get the value of a. For that, we can consider this stuff, that is a positive 2b equals to 30. Okay, in this one, we can plug in this negative 8a for this b over here, because we got that b equals to negative 8a. Okay, let me plug in a positive 2 times negative 8a equals to 30. Then I'm getting a positive times negative will be negative 2 times 8a is 16a equals to 30. When I combine this a and negative 16a, I am getting negative 15a equals to 30. Okay, let me divide both sides by negative 15. When I do so, this negative 15 will cancel out. I am getting a on the left side. On the right side, when I divide this 30 by 15, I am getting 2. But we have negative sign in denominator, so then a equals to negative 2. Okay, now I got the value of a. We can plug in this value negative 2 for a over here in this equation to get the value of b. Okay, now let me do it. That is negative 8 times negative 2 equals to b. Then I'm getting negative times negative will become positive. 16 equals to b. Okay, now I got the values of a, b and c, all the three constants. Okay, now let me take the given function as it is. It is ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, now what we can do is we can plug in the values for a, b and c. The value of a is negative 2, then we get negative 2x square. The value of b is 16, then we get positive 16x. The value of c is negative 24. We can plug in negative 24. Okay, now I got the given function, that is f of x equals to negative 2x square positive 16x negative 24. So we find this stuff exactly in answer choice D. So among the given answer choices, the one which is true about the function f is f of x equals to negative 2x square positive 16x and negative 24. The correct answer choice for this question is D.